Pull it back?
I have to.
Okay, never mind. Hold on.
Oh, there he is. Excuse me, Judge.
All right, where are we on this trial? This should be going to trial. Where are we?
Well, it's my understanding that the court of has issued mandate like within the last week, so. Go ahead, I'll let you.
It was actually on the 13th, and I
On
did
the
email
13th,
you.
yeah.
Everyone, please whisper.
Mandate's been issued by the 15th Court of Appeals. I did email you a copy of it today. And so I understand it's mandate to the trial court.
Yes, I haven't received that yet, so.
Don't know if it's.
Do you have a copy with you?
I can forward the court an email, or I can print it off and have it presented to the court.
All right, you want to print it off so I can see what they are
ma'am.
saying?
Should be 2 cases. You want us to step back?
Oh, no. It should take them 2 minutes to print it, right?
Thank you.
How you open just your line?
Okay. Does he need to be in here?
It needs to be in here.
All right, Mr. Bach, if you just step to the side, I'm still going to keep you on deck though, okay?
Yes, Judge, thank you.
Yes, Major.
Johnny Trevino.
He's walking up.
All right, are you representing him?
Yes, he just hired me yesterday, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, ma'am.
on Johnny Trevino, counsel, did you confer with the state?
I reviewed the discovery with my client. I haven't conferred with them because I haven't had a chance to review all the discovery. There's really nothing to confer about.
Ms. Ferguson, I need a reset date on Johnny Trevino for 30 days.
Yes, ma'am. I can do. Let me go back to that. I can do the 26th, Judge.
All right, state on Johnny Trevino, you need to be prepared with an acknowledgement of discovery and also an offer on August 26th, you say?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day.
You too.
Attorney Albert Acevedo. Yes. Alberto.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, what page is he on?
He's on page 6, Judge.
Okay.
He's in a zone. Big difference.
I need his email address.
John Paul Pena. Is the attorney here for John Paul Pena? No, where's your attorney? Who is the attorney for John Paul Pena?
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Very.
And did you introduce yourself to the court reporter?
Kyle Simpson.
All right, today is the plea deadline date.
We're gonna set up a trial, Judge.
I'm sorry.
We're gonna ask for a trial setting,
All right, how long will this be for trial?
like 3 days, 2 days.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, Criminal Trial Division, I need a jury trial date for 2 days. It's John Paul Pena.
Hey, 1 second, Judge.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
That's okay.
You said it's a criminal trial division?
Yes, it's a 2-day trial. It's a theft case.
I can put it for, I'll do October 1st.
All right, your jury trial date is October 1st. You need to sign the reset form. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. And state, if I could get an acknowledgement of discovery on John Paul Pena, please. It's 2024 CR 6530.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Dennis Johnson.
DJ. Morning, Judge.
All right, Mr. Johnson, come forward.
Yes. Cornelius Scott.
All right, today is your plea deadline date.
Judge, if I may,
Yes.
there was an issue with discovery. I brought it to the court's attention, kind of off docket.
All right, what's the issue
I
with
had-
discovery?
Well, for some reason, Odyssey wouldn't let me download. Angel was on it, trying to get it. I brought a hard drive to the state today.
Mr. Peña?
All right, Ms. Ferguson, on Dennis Johnson, I need a reset date to the end of August. This will be your final plea deadline date.
Thank you, Judge.
I can do August 27th, Judge.
All right, it'll be August 27th. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you for dressing appropriate for court.
Oh, thank you, Judge. Oh, I think so.
That's a given with you, Mr. Cox.
Have to see that right here.
Nora, what page is he on?
I am looking for him right now.
Oh, it's on page 5.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're ready.
You can go to the
Court ready on Bruce.
And my client in the, one that's in the, Dunbar. Yes. We're ready to announce on that one. That's the one that's in the, on Zoom.
All right, is that going to be a trial?
No, Your Honor, we're gonna, there was an offer made. My client now remembers it. And we need a date for the plea. He's out of town unless we can do the plea by Zoom.
All right, just a moment. Mr. Dunbar. I'll get him to come back by closing all rooms. All right, so the people on RC Curtis, how long do y'all expect trial?
Your Honor, my witness list constitutes 17 witnesses. If we recall, when mistrial was, we go on
How
2
long do
days.
y'all expect the trial?
State's
2
case.
All right, so Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, ma'am.
they need a trial date on RC Curtis for 2 weeks. I want this case tried. What's the earliest we can get them in?
That's,
And it doesn't have to be the beginning of the month because it's not involving either of the prosecutors that are currently in this court. And I don't want this for trial for next year. I want it done this year.
can we step aside and talk to her and then come back to you?
Sure,
Okay.
but
That's
Ms.
gonna-
Ferguson,
Yeah.
not next year.
No, I know
It's
that. I
gonna
know that.
be
I'm just trying
Incredibly
to.
difficult.
Oh, we'll make it happen.
I've got to get Ms. McGinnis on the phone also and try to find her schedule.
Oh, it'll be fine. It'll work out.
That's,
All right, Mr. Dunbar? Unmute, please.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're currently out of state. Why are your lights off? Power outage?
I think it's from Houston.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Just have a seat. A stationary place, please. All right, you're in Houston?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so Mr. Cox, we're gonna recall this, and your client will need to be present in court if he is not able to fill out the paperwork for the plea by Zoom. Miss, you need to have a seat in the back. So do you think you'll be able to do paperwork by Zoom?
I can do the paperwork by Zoom if it comes to me and I can email it to him.
All right, state. Dunbar, his paperwork is gonna be done by Zoom, but I know we're extremely busy today, so it's not gonna happen today. So, Mr. Cox, we can do it next week by Zoom?
Correct, about Tuesday.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, on Dunbar,
Yes, ma'am.
it's gonna be for a plea by Zoom. Ms. Ferguson needs your client's email address and so did the state.
Yes, sir, I'll get it. Jesus. She was Hiroshima, wasn't
Yeah, you come with so much history. I love that.
Nagasaki. I didn't know that. That's when they got the bomb. So I'll get that information.
Yes, you'll need to give Ms. Ferguson his email. And if you could give that to her before,
Before I leave.
yes.
Okay, thank you.
Not your first one.
All right, the latest, let me help you all out. The latest this is going to be for trial is November. That's the latest.
Just we're looking at the beginning, we're hoping we can get beginning of December. There's no way we can do it by November. It just is calendar.
Why not?
We can't. There's just too many other things happening.
I would point out, Your Honor, and I have filed a notice letter with the district.
For the record is lawyer speak, for I want this etched in stone. You can hear the pacing speed. Up adrenaline's kicking in on both sides. This is the cliff edge. One slip here, and the verdict shifts.
For jury selection. Mr. Curtis, you need to be in court on December 2nd, dressed for trial. We're going to have jury selection on that day.
Can we get a motion setting like a month before that? Everybody.
I'll just speak with Ms.
I will.
Ferguson
Okay, thank you.
and we'll set that
Okay.
at that time. And I'm assuming everybody has copies of the transcripts. You
I do.
should.
I do.
All right. All right, December 2nd. Thank you, guys.
Your Honor, may I be excused? Your Honor?
Yes, you may.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll get you all the motion setting. I'm not even sure what I'm talking about.
And Mr. Bond,
Yes,
you'll let Mr. Curtis know?
I will.
All right, thank you.
Yes. Okay, yeah. I don't know.
Number, what page is RC Curtis on?
On the very, very last page, Judge.
Thank you. Sorry. Who is here on Jacob Villalobos? Introduce yourself to the court reporter, please. Probation, there's no application. Court is calling 2024 CR 0070013, State of Texas versus Jacob Villalobos. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Ray Lopez for the defense.
And are you Mr. Villalobos?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, you received all of the discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Off the record for a moment. Excuse me, defense counsel. If you want to speak to your client, don't speak behind the court reporter. Ask the deputy to have them move to the end. We're back on the record. Mr. Villalobos, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Waiving the habitual offender enhancement allegation.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with the offense of attempting to take a weapon from a police officer. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Villalobos, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 18 months in the state jail facility, and there are no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Contained in Exhibit 1 attachment.
Any
No
objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
State, you may be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial? A right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Can someone tell me, because I'm reading in the stips that he was called for alleged family violence. Is there a family violence case out there somewhere on him?
I don't believe so, Judge.
Do you have a family violence case?
Mm.
All right. Who is Tiffany Lee Carlisle to you?
My ex.
All right. Do you all have any children together? All right. Court is going to find you guilty, sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Tiffany, Tiffany, Lee, Lee, Carlisle, Carlile, and no contact with Margie, Margi, Lou Munoz. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, nothing from the defense, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, trying to take weapons from officers, you could have ended up being on the news, and your mom or dad would have been crying saying, the police killed my baby, what's going on? You're not allowed to do that. If you would have just came outside and talked to them, you probably wouldn't even be here. You're labeled as a habitual. You know what that means? On certain cases, your minimum will be 25 years in prison. If you want to spend the rest of your life in prison, I'm sure Texas will accommodate you. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you want to get more face tattoos, that may be limiting your job opportunities, but you're more than welcome to do so. It's a free country.
I'm fine with what I have now.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Seth McDonald. All right, where's Mr. McDonald?